Hey, we're Cowboys in the Campfire, and you're listening to and watching Lifeminute.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Cowboys in the Campfire. It started off as a painting that Chip actually did. And we talked about someday we should really go on tour behind this. And it was meant to be fun, and then it turned into more fun, and so now here we are having...
Yeah, okay.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Chip and I have been writing together for about 11 years or so.
How did you guys first get together?
I married his niece. I'll leave it at that.
Yeah, that's a true
That's a true story, and there's a lot of other true stories in there we'll leave out too.
And we started writing tunes almost immediately. We have a summer place in Chesapeake, and on the way down, we were talking families and drinks.
Lives in Crisis.
Lives in Crisis, and driving, and wrote a song on the way down.
Well, we're a mixture of
country.
mixture of rock and roll,
A little bit of rock and roll.
a little bit of family love.
And that's about it.